I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth device with your Android phone. And this can be really any type of device, whether it's a Bluetooth speaker, a pair of AirPods or headphones, a camera, keyboard, mouse, or pretty much anything. I'm using my Bluetooth speaker here, but the steps are basically the same regardless of what you're trying to connect. So first we'll want to make sure Bluetooth is turned on. An easy way to do that is to swipe down from the top right corner to view your quick settings. And depending on the phone, sometimes swiping down twice reveals the full quick settings panel. You'll usually see a button for Bluetooth that can be toggled on and off with a single tap. So locate that first and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Then you'll want to make sure your Bluetooth device is turned on and nearby so the phone can reach it. A lot of devices will have some sort of Bluetooth button or a toggle that puts them into pairing mode, which is when the device is actively looking to connect with your phone. Not all Bluetooth devices have a dedicated toggle for this, but if yours does, hit the button. And there's often some kind of indicator or sound telling you that the device is now in pairing mode. Then we'll take the phone, and on most phones, you can long press the Bluetooth button in your quick settings to connect new devices. Just make sure to press the part that has the Bluetooth text on it, and not the button part that has the Bluetooth symbol. This part can look different depending on what type of phone you have, but there's usually an option here to view available devices or to pair a new device. I'll tap Pair a New Device, and my phone will scan for nearby devices. There's my speaker, and I can now connect to it by tapping it here. Some devices will ask for permissions to access your contacts and call history, which is optional. A lot of speakers, for example, can be used as a speakerphone, and if a call comes in while you're playing music, the speaker needs access to your contacts to announce the name of the caller. But like I said, that part is optional. Now my device is connected and I'm all set. And next time I don't need to pair it again, I'll just turn on my speaker and it'll connect automatically as long as my phone's Bluetooth is on. Another way to do this would be through your settings. I'll go to Settings, and on my Pixel phone, Bluetooth is under Connected Devices. If you're on a Samsung phone, you'll find Bluetooth under Settings and Connections. Same menu here. I can see my connected devices, and this is where I can pair new devices. I can also tap any Bluetooth device here and disconnect, or tell my phone to forget it if I don't want it to connect again. And that's how you connect Bluetooth devices with your Android phone. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you all in the next video.